Doing new things is intimidating, especially when it comes to making a video, starting a YouTube channel, pretty much anything that puts you in a vulnerable state. But don't fret. At one point, your favorite channels all started where you are, at the bottom. And they all have one thing in common, and it's that they never gave up. Let's go. Now this video is aimed at helping you start your video content journey, not necessarily grow. Look, that video will come later, because growing your channel and getting views, it's a whole different science from simply learning how to film and post your content. I want to educate you on making a video, because if you've never done it before, then the whole process, it can seem like a lot. You need something to record with. It could be your phone, it could be your DSLR camera, it could be a GoPro. Really anything that can record and save data. I personally use my phone, and I'm using a Canon M50. That's what I'm using to make this video here. Then you're gonna need a computer of some sort, something that you can use to transfer the data from your phone or from your camera onto. That way you can do the editing later. I personally use a MacBook. That's my go-to. I can take it with me everywhere. It does the job just fine. And the next thing you need is an editing tool. This is where most people just stop because it's overwhelming. They don't want to do it. They open up the app and it's like, what are all these buttons? Don't be afraid. It's really simple to use. I personally recommend CapCut. It's free. Everybody has access to it and it's very user friendly. I personally use Premiere Pro, but that's only because I'm used to Premiere Pro. I taught myself on that. It was really hard at first, but I've made over 100 videos and Premiere Pro now is just, it's easy. And speaking of CapCut, if you want me to do a how-to video, I can do that. Just let me know. I can put that together real easy. It's simple to use, but still, if you need help, I can help you out with CapCut. So again, the point of this video is to make the creating process as simple. Sorry about the noise, my kid back there. Is to make the process as simple as possible. For this video, the example I'm gonna be using is with my cell phone. I'm gonna show you how to make a video with your cell phone, how to put it onto a computer, how to edit that video, and then how to put it onto the internet. Okay, we're out here with the Zoe. Let me get some sunlight. Baby Zoe took off, so I'm gonna do the filming while she's in my arms. Shouldn't be a problem though. So what we have here is an iPhone 15 Plus. I'm gonna be using the cinematic mode to get the video of Azalea. We're gonna do some still shots, some shots of her walking around. Nothing crazy. Okay, damn, you look good. Go and stand right here. Okay, thank you, Azalea. You can just stay there. Dang, you look good. Is your butt getting bigger? Okay, I'm gonna get a close-up real quick right here. Wow, you look great. I shouldn't be letting you go to the mall like this. Okay, and now some shots of you walking towards me slow. There you go. Okay, we're good. Thank you. All right, and just like that, we're done. Okay, so I'm gonna take this footage inside. Let's get us hot. Okay, we're back inside. I got the shots that I needed. I was looking at the footage. There's probably gonna be 3 shots I like that I'm gonna use and put together. It's gonna be a short video. It's gonna be like, I don't know, 10 seconds. But I will show you how I do it. So now that I have the footage on my phone, we need to get this transferred to a computer. I'm gonna use a MacBook Pro. It's a laptop. That's what we're using. So I'm gonna go set that up. Okay, I had a little bit of an outfit change. I decided to do a quick workout, but now we can get back into it. I've got my laptop set up right here. I've got my phone ready. I've got everything I need. So there's 2 ways to primarily upload footage from your phone to your computer, and that's Bluetooth or using your phone's charging cord to connect to the computer and then just transferring the data there. I'm gonna go ahead and show you both. It's very simple. First, we're gonna plug the cord into the phone. It's gonna be the charger that came with your phone. Next, you're gonna wanna plug it into the computer. Luckily, this is an easy fit, but some laptops do require an adapter. I've got this one here. It's perfect for anything and everything. It's got 4 slots, as you can see, like for a flash drive. I can put an SD card in there. It's pretty universal, but we don't need it for this situation, luckily. After getting it plugged in, your phone's gonna connect to your computer, and you're gonna wanna open the Photos app. It's right here. Go ahead and click that. Sometimes it'll just open up for you, but it's kind of a hit or miss. It's not opening for me right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and click into it. You'll see that your phone is listed right here along the side. Go ahead and click into it, and boom, you'll have access to all your photos, all your videos, allowing you to add them to your computer. I'm gonna go ahead and click it and then go to import. That way you can see how it would look. And that's it, it's pretty simple. I'm gonna go ahead and open the video, just to let you see that you can play it now. And now the second option that I think is just much easier, much faster is Bluetooth. The only thing you'll need to do is make sure the Bluetooth is turned on your phone and on the device that you want to transfer the footage to. I'm gonna go ahead and put a screen recording right here, just so you can see how it would be done. It's really quick, it's really easy. You literally just click the video, share, Bluetooth, find the device that you want to send it to, and you send it there. Okay, all right. Now that we've got our footage on the computer, we're down to our final step, which is just editing the video for YouTube. And because it's just such a short clip, this is gonna be really easy, and I'm gonna do it really fast. It's not gonna take a lot of time. Normally, when you make a YouTube video, it's probably gonna be anywhere between 5 to 20 to 30 to 45 minutes. I've made vlogs that are about 45, 50 minutes before, and those take a long time to edit because you're just going through all of your footage and you're cutting, you're slicing, you're adding music, you're editing. It's a lot of work, it really is, but do not let that overwhelm you. Don't even think about it as being a hard task. You need to go into it understanding that if this was something everybody could do, then everybody would do it, but you're different, right? You're here watching my video, for instance, because you want to learn how to do something. So I applaud you, because you're already taking the first step into trying to figure out how you can do this. Don't be afraid, it's very easy, but we're gonna go ahead and jump into the computer and I'm gonna show you how to edit this video. We're gonna open Premiere Pro, I'm gonna insert the video, and we're gonna just cut it down to maybe 3 pieces, and then we're gonna save it. That way it's ready to import to YouTube. All right, we're gonna shrink my head down and put it in the corner here for you. So now this is my home screen. It's a mess, I'm so sorry. It's a really big mess. I didn't take the time to clean anything up. These are just videos I've made and just anything and everything. Anyways, Premiere Pro, this is what I use. It's down here, Adobe Premiere Pro. We're gonna go ahead and click it. Might take a minute to open, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut to when we're actually in the app. Be right back. Okay, the app is open. Put my glasses on. So this is Premiere Pro. I'm gonna push this up here. We're gonna go ahead and go to New Project. And a project name, let's just call this Azalea, because that's what this video is gonna be about, right? Azalea. And you're gonna go to Create. Now, don't let this scare you, but it's basically a blank canvas. What we want to do is we want to get a sequence going. This is a sequence. This is where you do all of your work, and there's nothing here. What we have to do is we have to import our media, which is the video that we put onto the computer. So add your media. You can click Import Media, or you can just double click. I'm gonna go ahead and hit this. And this opened up. Now I've got a lot of files on my computer, so there's gonna be a lot of junk on here, but we're gonna scroll down, media, music, photos, movies. That's what we want, movies. Basically, movies and videos are gonna be the same thing. So when you open that up, you're gonna see here all the videos I have on the computer. The video that I just uploaded, it's gonna be right here. It's not all the way at the bottom because it's organized in the date that it was recorded. So what that means is these videos right here I recorded after the video that I shot of Azalea. Hopefully that's not confusing. But anyways, that's besides the point. Let's go ahead and double click. Now it's gonna put that video right here. As you can see, if I just go over it, it's gonna show me the whole video. It's 32 seconds total. Now we're gonna click and hold it, and we're gonna drag it over here. And when you do that, it's gonna open a new sequence for you. Let's look here, let's see, what do I wanna clip? And I'm gonna go ahead and just mute it. This M here means mute. It's gonna basically mute everything along this line. This is the sound wave, the sound bars. So whenever you have a sound or a sound effect, music, it's gonna go down here. A, that's for audio. V is for video. So video is gonna be up here, audio is gonna be down here. So I'm gonna just go to mute this audio because it's not important, we don't need that. So video, let's go ahead and stretch this out a little bit. Let's cut it, let's do that. No, let's, okay, cool. I'm gonna go ahead and shorten it right here. And I'm gonna cut it right there. Bring that there. So, oh, she's so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna shorten this right there. And you can see me in her glasses reflection. I'm gonna cut it right there. And then I'm gonna click it and I'm gonna drag it right here. So now if you see, I'm creating a sequence. I've got my first clip. It's gonna end, go to my second clip that we just cut. And I'm gonna go ahead and clip one more from the remaining footage that we have. I'll do this walking shot. And I'll count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we'll just stop it right there. And look, if anybody's interested in learning Premiere Pro, I can make videos on how to use this app as well. But whether it's CapCut or Premiere Pro, I can make videos showing you how to do certain things, make it really easy, dumb it down. Not saying you're dumb, but I can dumb everything down just to make it user-friendly for yourself so it's not intimidating. But anyways, I've got my 3 clips right here. It's about 11-12 seconds long. You can see right here how long it is. I'm gonna go ahead and import it. I'm not gonna do anything special right now. Again, I just wanna show you how to make the video. We're not gonna do any coloring. We're not gonna do anything else. So go to File. You're gonna wanna go down to Export, Media, and then a new window is gonna pop up. Basically, it's your settings. Think of it like when you used to print things on your computer, or maybe you still print things. When you go to hit print, a new option shows up, like, you know, the settings that you want to do for your printer. It's basically the same thing here, but for a digital video. File name, oh, Jesus, it's so long. Let's go ahead and rename it to Azalea Test. And then we're not going to do anything crazy, but if you click this arrow right here, this arrow right here, you're going to want to go to match source. Just click that. What that does is all the settings are going to now be adjusted to the video that you have uploaded. Because what happens in Premiere Pro is it will download this video the way that it thinks it's supposed to, and sometimes the settings aren't matching what your actual video is. Like this video I shot on my cell phone, right? So the settings that are on Premiere Pro are relative to me shooting on a camera, a DSLR. I don't want those settings. I want the settings for my phone. So when you go to match source, it will identify the video as a cell phone video and it'll convert it to whatever it needs to be. 30 frames. Oh, I actually shot in 30 frames per second. Okay, so now that we're done there, we're gonna go to export. Oh, and real quick, make sure you're saving it to somewhere that you know your file is going to be. I always save my files to the desktop, just so that way it's easy for me to find. Now export, and it's going to take about 10 seconds. So I'll fast forward to when it's all done. Okay, the video is now done. I'm going to go ahead and show you. My voice is going, by the way. I'm sorry. I'm going to go ahead and show you where it is. If you go ahead and click out of Premiere Pro, let's see. Here it is, Azalea Test. It's going to be right here. Now let's go ahead and open it, play it, and remember I muted it so there's not going to be any sound. There's that second clip, and there's the third clip. So there it is. Now you have your video. You have your video ready to be uploaded to YouTube. This obviously isn't a video showing you how to create a YouTube account or anything like that. If you want that, again, I can do that too. I just need some feedback. If you want me to show you how to make an actual YouTube channel, I can do that too. I've done this hundreds of times. It's easy for me. But you have your video here. So what you would do is if you already have your YouTube channel, what you do is you open the account, go in there, and you upload video. You upload this video you just made, and there you go. Easy as that. It's so simple. Anybody and everybody can make YouTube videos. I think everybody should make YouTube videos. Even if you're not doing it to grow something, to find an audience, do it for yourself because you're leaving a paper trail for your life. That's something I wish I had with my parents. I wish I had a paper trail for their life. I make videos because I want my kids to see what I've been doing. I want them to know what my thoughts are. I want them to see me before I get really old and gray hair. But anyways, look, thank you for watching this video. I'm about to wrap it up. If you need any help, if this was not detailed enough for you, then let me know, please. I can explain anything and everything. I'm trying to get back into the video game with my YouTube channel myself, so forgive me if this is the best quality video. I'm working on getting better, and I am going to get better. So everybody, have a great, what is it? It's October right now, so have a good Halloween. See ya.